Hi everyone, welcome back, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to day 2 of hashtag Sharodiya series. Today I'll be sharing with you this makeup storage cleansing vlog. This one is the one which you see in most of my YouTube videos as background. So this is originally the place where I store all my makeup and skincare and all that stuff. You can understand, all my jewelry and everything. So I'll be cleansing this one. It is a complete mess inside this one right now, and I'll take you through the process. So let's get started with the cleansing process. This is the place where I store all my things, mainly the second drawer and the first drawer. I won't be touching the topmost drawer today because it has almost most of the stuff related to my mom, so I'll keep this one untouched and I'll clean these two drawers. This is the drawer right here which has all my makeup stuff. I hope you can see the amount of mess I have created in this one. I am a very organized person, but every day, like on days when I shoot, everything becomes a mess, and I have been purposely keeping it for shooting the video. So I'll now stop talking and start taking out everything and put it on a side. I have uploaded a brief IGTV video on how I wash my brushes. I'll provide a link in the description box so you can check it out. In case you also need to wash your brushes, it might help you. Complete mess. I have to throw out some items. I have some lipsticks which have expired, which I have been using for years, I guess, my first lipsticks and everything. And there are so many other things which I have to throw out. So yeah, I have to declutter and I have to sort out everything. And there's not too many things. Don't consider it as a blogger makeup storage, but this is what all I have, just basic things or a little more. Sun is up again. I have never ever used this. I have so many things which I've never ever used. my last drawer, my makeup drawer is almost done. Not almost, it's done actually. Now I'll move on to this second drawer and I'll clean this one. This drawer, oh my god, I'm so scared to touch this drawer. I have this one which I don't need anymore. I have so many contact lens cases. If any one of you need contact lens cases, then please contact me. I can. I'll put my new jewelry in the boxes. I have separate boxes for each kind of jewelry. I won't go in depth with them because I have ton of jewelry with me. I am a jewelry hoarder, so it will be a very long video. If you want to see a separate jewelry collection video, then I can make that. That would make much more sense. And this one I'll put it here. These boxes needs dusting, so I'll dust them. These are very old boxes. These are like the boxes which you store food, but my mom never used them to store food, so I took it to store jewelry. All the middle class things which everyone has in there. Put this one, this one. Oops. So I got this jewelry box I guess in the month of July from Myntra. Some nice done with the sorting out of all the things and decluttering my drawers. I'll show you the final look. So this is how the second drawer looks. It has just my jewelry boxes and some random stuff. Other than that, there's almost medicines and my mom's all medical stuff over here. And this one is the drawer which has all my stuff and some of my daughter's Belle's stuff over here, her grooming stuff, and all my lipsticks, my nail polish, my hair dryer which I never use, my skincare, it has all my eye things, my mirror which I use in my videos, my eye palettes, 3 of my eye palettes, my eye pencils, eyeliners, nail polish remover, mascara, eyebrow pencil, eyeliners, lip liners, some more mascara, eyeliners, kajal, pencils, and all this. Not this one. This is all the trash which I need to put in the bin and I need to call it a day. All these things have been sitting in my drawers for 2 years now, so I'm so sad. I have to discard so many of my lipsticks, my nail polishes, my eyeliner. It's very heartbreaking. And here are some contact lens cases, so many of them, some expired medicines and all these. This is a new tripod which I got. With today's video, I'm super exhausted right now. It's almost 2 p.m. I have to go and have my lunch. I'm starving. I'll end this vlog over here. I hope you like this vlog, this malfunction vlog. I know I haven't been the best vlogging the entire process because I am vlogging for the first time. It didn't happen as it should have happened, and B, not everything in my room is furnished and in proper place, so I could not show everything, and which is the reason the camera placement and all, there was a problem with that. So yeah, I hope you liked as much as I tried to do. And if you did, then don't forget to hit the big fat thumbs up button, click the subscribe button, and definitely hit the small bell notification just beside it to stay updated every day when I upload new videos, because I'm uploading new videos in a row. And you must be wondering that why I'm just because I was dusting and cleaning everything, that's why I didn't mind to wear this one and show up in front of the camera. I don't think I had anything else to say. Comment down below and let me know if you like this video, and I shall see you with my next one tomorrow. Until next time, lots of love. Bye.